So, bit of a disclaimer, this is not a video about electronics, so you'll want to click off now if that's what you're after. I recently went to Amsterdam. It was really great. I had a brilliant time and I thought I'd share some of it with you. It's an interesting city, Amsterdam. Those of you that have been will have been to all of the slightly stranger parts, or at least it is to a British person slightly strange. There's a red light district there. There are cannabis cafes, but really nice bars as well. And one thing we went to do, I went with my best mate Dave. We went to the Nemo Museum. Now this is like a science museum and it's really just for kids, but what you want to do is get there before the children go. So we went the moment it opened, so it was 10 o'clock in the morning. Nothing seems to open before 10 o'clock, it seems, in Amsterdam. So Nemo is kind of like the Science Museum in London, except for there's a lot more focus on activities and things. So there was a lot of stuff to do with electromagnetism, optics, there was electricity, the history of technology, a lot of fun things to play with, and I felt a bit like a child while I was there, if I'm honest. So I'll just let you watch a few clips of the stuff that we got up to.
Couldn't even see what happened there. Oh, it's run out of juice. See the big one, Dave? Oh, is that a big one? Yeah. Oh God, Dave, say something. We have to fill it all up.
This one was super interesting. Particle tracks. So this shows you particles zooming through something. I can't explain what it is, but those are particles flying through some kind of fluid, it seems. And when it gets to about 11 o'clock, you know it's time to leave, because that's when all the kids seem to come in. Like a whole coach load of kids turned up, so we made a hasty retreat, but we looked at this really cool clock at the end. It was pretty cool looking. Next stop was the Stedelijk Museum. This is the Municipal Museum, essentially. And it's kind of like all modern art. Some of it older, I guess, but they had a Van Gogh in there, and they had a Rothko, lots and lots of cool stuff. But some really weird stuff as well that I totally don't understand. But I mean, I laughed out loud when I saw this guy. So yeah, maybe I'm not too good with modern art, but I'm never sure what it's meant to make me feel. But it was fun. So I hope you enjoyed a whistle-stop tour of my Amsterdam adventure.